roll-up pianos are a versatile, portable, and compact solution for musicians and beginners alike. These flexible pianos can easily fit in a backpack, allowing you to take your music on the go. Here, we've reviewed the top 5 best roll-up pianos available on Aliexpress, each offering unique features and functionality to suit different needs. Number 1. Lujex 88-Key Roll-Up Piano. The Lujex 88-Key Roll-Up Piano is a highly rated, full-size portable piano designed to give players an authentic playing experience. It features 88 standard-sized keys, making it ideal for both beginners and professional pianists who want a compact and flexible practice option. This roll-up piano is constructed with silicone material, which makes it durable and easy to clean. It's USB-powered and can be connected to headphones for silent practice or speakers for public performances. The Lujex piano is also equipped with various sounds like grand piano, organ, and more, offering a fun and engaging playing experience. With a responsive keyboard and a range of tone selections, this roll-up piano caters to different styles of music, making it one of the most versatile options on the market. Its portability means you can play anywhere, anytime, whether you're traveling, at home, or at school. The piano comes with a rechargeable battery and built-in speakers, giving you flexibility in how and where you use it. Key features: 88 standard-size keys for an authentic piano feel. Portable and foldable design, making it easy to carry in a bag. Supports MIDI output for connection to computers and other devices. Multiple instrument sounds including grand piano, organ, and synthesizer. Rechargeable battery and USB power option for flexible use. Number 2. KikerTech 61-Key Roll-Up Piano. The KikerTech 61-Key Roll-Up Piano is perfect for those looking for a more compact and affordable option. While it has fewer keys than a full-sized piano, it offers a complete range of notes for most songs. Its lightweight and foldable design make it easy to store and carry, whether you're heading to music class or on a road trip. It's made of non-toxic silicone, ensuring durability and comfort while playing. The built-in stereo speakers deliver quality sound, while the headphone jack allows for quiet practice. This roll-up piano is particularly suited for beginners and children, offering fun features like drum modes, demo songs, and learning functions. It also has a recording feature so you can track your progress and listen back to your practice sessions. Overall, the KikerTech 61-Key Roll-Up Piano provides an excellent balance between portability, features, and price. Key features: 61 keys made from soft silicone for a comfortable playing experience. Built-in speakers and headphone jack for flexible practice options. Lightweight and foldable design, ideal for travel or small spaces. Multiple sound functions including drums and other instruments. Recording and playback feature for practicing and performance. Number 3. JouerNow 88-Key Foldable Roll-Up Piano. The JouerNow 88-Key Roll-Up Piano offers the convenience of a portable, foldable piano without sacrificing the functionality of a full-size keyboard. This model is ideal for players who need 88 keys but don't have space for a traditional piano. Its sleek design and advanced features make it suitable for both amateur and professional musicians. The keyboard is made of high-quality silicone, which ensures durability and an authentic feel when playing. The JouerNow piano also includes MIDI support, allowing users to connect it to a computer or other devices for recording or composing music. One of its standout features is the built-in learning system, which helps beginners grasp the basics of piano playing through easy-to-follow tutorials. The piano also comes with built-in stereo speakers, which offer clear and crisp sound quality. It's USB-powered and comes with a rechargeable battery, giving users plenty of flexibility. Key features: 88 full-sized keys with a realistic feel. USB and MIDI functionality for digital music creation. Rechargeable battery for on-the-go playing. Built-in stereo speakers and headphone compatibility. Learning function with tutorials for beginners. Number 4. Konix 88-key roll-up piano with Bluetooth. The Konix 88-key roll-up piano is a highly advanced and versatile instrument, offering Bluetooth connectivity for wireless control. This feature allows you to connect the piano to various devices such as smartphones, tablets, or computers, enabling you to use learning apps or record music directly onto your device. The keyboard itself is made of high-grade silicone, making it both durable and comfortable to play. The keys have a responsive touch, and the sound quality is enhanced by the built-in stereo speakers. This piano includes a range of sound effects, instrument voices, and even rhythm options, making it a great choice for creative musicians. Whether you're a beginner learning how to play or a seasoned pianist looking for a portable option, the Konix 88-key roll-up piano offers an exceptional playing experience. Key features: 88 keys with Bluetooth connectivity for wireless control. Supports multiple sound effects and instrument voices. Durable silicone keys that provide a realistic feel. USB and MIDI output for connection to other devices. Rechargeable battery for long-lasting playtime. Number 5. JouerNow key roll-up piano for kids and beginners. The JouerNow key roll-up piano is designed specifically for children and beginners, making it one of the best educational tools on the market. Its compact size and lightweight design make it ideal for young learners or musicians who are constantly on the move. The piano features 61 soft silicone keys that are comfortable to play, even for small hands. It comes with multiple learning modes, demo songs, and various instrument sounds to make learning fun and engaging. This roll-up piano is equipped with built-in speakers and a headphone jack for flexible practice sessions. With its affordable price point and child-friendly design, the JouerNow key roll-up piano is a great option for parents who want to introduce their children to music without investing in a full-sized keyboard. Key features: 61 silicone keys, perfect for beginners and kids. Learning modes and demo songs to enhance the educational experience. Lightweight and foldable design for portability. Built-in speakers and headphone compatibility. Multiple sound effects and instruments for creative play. Conclusion: whether you're a seasoned pianist looking for a portable practice tool or a beginner wanting to learn how to play the piano, a roll-up piano offers flexibility and convenience. The 5 models reviewed here provide a range of features, from Bluetooth connectivity to built-in learning modes, catering to different needs and preferences.